Miko Infrastructure Private Limited Company, in which you can buy shiftable office cabin, security cabin, house, toilets, in very low price, and contact details in description, and you can visit our website www.mikoportacabins.com.
10 by 10 shop cabin, 10 feet long, 10 feet width, main door. It's a main door. Two side L shape shelf and half window. It's a 10 by 10 shop cabin. Inside 2 by 6 kitchen with open box with granite top. Kitchen with granite top. It's a mixer point main board. It's a main board. Inside all 2 tube lights, 1 fan. L shape half window and 1 shelf, L shape shelf. It's a 10 by 10 shop container, 10 feet long, 10 feet width. Outside main connection, tank frame, top side water tank frame. Two side L shape half window and outer side shelf. It's a outer side shelf. L shape shelf. It's a 10 by 10 shop cabin. It's ready to